Alright then, hello guys. Today we're doing another PicoCTF challenge, and the challenge we're doing today is going to be called Forensic Git 0. So with this challenge, it says, can you find a flag in a disk image? Download the disk image here. So they give us a disk image to download, and there's one hint. How can you extract the directory from the disk image? So you have to know, I guess, a bit about, command line tools that you could use to extract content from a disk image. So first things first, let's download this and copy link to address. Go right here, ls cd pico 2026 wget, and we just download the image that we want. Waiting for it to download. After we download it, we just gzip-d and then image disk image.gz is gonna unzip it for us from the gz side, and then after that we can start messing around with this file. So to basically extract directories from a disk image, you first want to see what's inside of the disk image itself. So we want to run the command mmls, which is basically, it's usually used to display the partitions within a system. So we're gonna have to use sleuthkit, but in our case, I don't usually download tools within here, so I'm probably gonna have to go to a zsh shell and do it from there. Next shell sleuthkit. So let's run this, set this up currently to go inside here, and we just wait for this to load up. Once it loads up, and looks like it did, we could run mmls onto disk image to see the partitions within here. And we see 3 partitions. The one that excites us the most is the one with the most, which is right here. It tells us where it starts, where it ends, and then the total length of it, which is this. We could either target this one or that one, but just to make this video a lot shorter, we could just target the last one at the end. And now what we need to do is basically extract the content from here. So to extract the content, there's a tool called tsk recover, which is basically a way to recover files and output the directory, output, extract unallocated space from image and save them to a local directory. So that's the next command we're gonna run. So we want to run, let's make this into a sub file so we don't have everything bundled up somewhere. Make their what's it called, git 0, I guess. Git 0, we're making a directory. We see git 0, and now if we write tsk let's see, recover, and then now from here it's pretty simple. We just need to import the -e and -o flag. E for extraction, O to output it somewhere, and then from here we want to start from where exactly. Where do we want to start the extraction? We want to start it on this one, the very last one at the end. So we just pick the initially where it starts, and then from here we just put the disk image that we're targeting, and then put it to a specific directory that we want it to go to, which is git 0. So now if we run this command, everything from the files that were inside here are now going to git 0. So right here, if we go to dcd git 0, we see multiple files that could be found in here. So let's go to cd, let's see, home. Maybe there's something at home. cd ctf player, ls cd code, ls cd secrets, ls cat note.txt. It says the Pico flag format means where there's lead speak phrase. Okay, the PicoCTF flag format is PicoCTF, where there are some lead speak phrases in between curly braces. So that's what we get. So the PicoCTF flag format is where there are some lead speak phrases in between the curly braces. So we type lsla to see what we have here, and we notice that this file seems to be under Git, which hence the whole forensics Git 0. So what if we look at what's inside here, but we don't have Git installed? So what I want to do is first exit out of here, since we already got our output, and then we just do, we could probably install Git on here, because Git's probably like a very useful tool to always have as a developer. SYU to update everything. Wait for this. Everything's getting packed up. Yeah, I haven't updated this in a while. Hopefully nothing breaks. And then I think it's just Git. I think Git on Pacman. Git, it's install Git. Yeah, it's just this. Honestly, we could probably stay inside the shell, but it's whatever. Enter, that's downloading currently. Optimized, open, show, creating system user, create user for Git, reloading system, warning, settings. Please check your local settings. So could I run Git now? Yeah, I could. So if we go within the file that we have in here, ls cd home, and then from right here we just keep on pressing that until we reach the end, and then we run Git, and then we see the common Git commands, Git add, Git examine history or state. So we can probably look at this. So use binary search to find a Git commit and introduce a bug, show changes between. I guess we could try Git diff. Unable to execute page or less. So print. Okay, how about Git log? No such file or directory. ls. Oh, right here though. cd. Git log. Git status, I guess. Okay, on branch master, nothing to commit. LSLA. Git log. Git status. Git pull. Git fetch. Nah, so let's see. Git log. Cannot run less. No such file directory. Well, lsla td.git git log. Oh, cd logs. What have we got here? Cd logs ls cat. I don't know, head. Wrap this phrase. Oh, I guess we got it right here. So it basically says wrap this phrase in flag format. So from right here, we just probably wrap it in flag format, and that should give us our flag. PicoCTF. Put the flag format that we want to achieve. Press enter, and we saw the very first challenge. So yeah, nothing too difficult. Just basically understanding how Git works. It was pretty weird how my Git command didn't work. Let me try this again. Git logs. Git log. Yeah, it's not running it, which is pretty weird. But yeah, I guess I just have to figure that out later. But yeah, that's about it. Hopefully you guys learned something new today. I know I did. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.